Hello friends, welcome back. In this session, we'll quickly understand what is imputation and what are the types of imputation. All these things we will understand quickly. Let's define it in a one line. Imputation is the process of filling in missing data with estimated values based on available information. That's very simple. Right. Imputation is a statistical technique fundamentally used to fill in missing or incomplete data with estimated values. Where is it used? It's used predominantly in the data pre-processing and analysis to handle missing values before performing any sort of statistical analysis or machine learning task. Imputation methods fundamentally vary depending on the nature of the data and assumptions made about the missing values. The goal of imputation is very simple. It is to provide you a complete data set in all aspects for analysis while minimizing bias and preserving the integrity of the original data distribution. So, imputation will help you in filling in the missing values or the incomplete data with estimated values. There are multiple types of imputation techniques that you can follow. The first one is mean imputation. This method involves replacing missing values with mean, which is nothing but the average of the known scores for the particular variable. For an instance, we can take student's math score. If a particular student's math score is missing, you can replace it with average math score of all other students. This is one way of imputation. I have given a simple example in front of you where we can see that we have got a missing math score of a student. 4 you can see that's the number NAN. It is not available. And I am going to get that math score computed through mean imputation. I'll take the average of 85 plus 75 plus 90 plus 78 and I will get the average of 80. So that's a way of getting mean imputation done. The next one is median imputation. It is simply like mean imputation, but instead of using the average, you will use the middle value. Yes, this can be more robust to the outliers of the data. So if some students have very high or very low scores, the median will give a better view and it could give a more accurate estimate. We are going to take the same example. We are going to calculate the median for the available math scores 75, 78, 85, 90 and 82 would be the median. As simple, and we can go ahead with this technique as well. Mode imputation is there. Here, you can replace missing values with most frequent value in the dataset. For an instance, if most students scored B grade in a particular subject, you can replace the missing value with B. Regression imputation is the next one, where we will predict the missing values based on the relationship with other variables. For an instance, if the math score tends to correlate strongly with science score, you can use a regression model to predict a missing math score based on the science score. We predict. And then comes the KNN, K nearest neighbors imputation. In this approach, we can find the K nearest data points to the one with the missing value and use their values to impute the missing one. For an instance, if a student's math score is missing, you take a look at the scores of the students who are most similar to them in terms of other variables, which could be like the age, gender, or other subject scores. So, we can go ahead with KNN imputation this way. You can use KNN imputation, regression imputation, mode imputation, median imputation, or mean imputation based on the requirement. And this is a very important point. I hope this session was useful. If you have any questions, go ahead and type it in the chat section. I'll be very glad to answer. If you like the channel, kindly subscribe. Thank you.